Hope you're having a great Monday. I'm meteorologist Carissa Sanford. It turned out to be a really nice day. Breezy winds out of the south and sunshine teaming up to bring in some very nice temperatures, at least compared to what we saw this weekend. We saw highs today into the upper 50s and low 60s. And as these winds continue tomorrow at about 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the south and southwest, they're really going to bump up temperatures. So we're looking at an even warmer daytime on Tuesday. But with those warmer temperatures, very dry air and strong winds, we do have a high fire danger in the northeasternmost counties. LaSalle and Livingston both under a red flag warning until 9 p.m. tonight. That just means that outdoor burning is not recommended during the rest of the evening. As we get into the overnight hours tonight, we may add on a few more clouds, but tomorrow we'll end up feeling a lot like today, very breezy and very warm with high temperatures expected in the mid to upper 60s. But as we get into Tuesday afternoon, we're going to start to work in some more cloud cover. We've got a cold front coming in from the west and northwest, and that's going to bring in a chance of rain. Now, this will start between the hours of 4 and 6 o'clock, and it will very quickly move off to the east, bringing a chance at showers and thunderstorms into the evening hours. By midnight tomorrow night, though, we're looking at a lot of that activity moving off to the east, and then a high pressure system on Wednesday will help clear things back out, but also bring in some cooler air for the middle of our work week. Overnight tonight, we'll see just a few clouds building in with lows in the upper 30s and low 40s, not quite as bitter cold as the freezing low temperatures we saw over the weekend. Into the daytime tomorrow, we'll see enough sunshine and those strong winds out of the south to get us closer to normal for this time of year into the mid to upper 60s for highs. But then we have that cold front coming in, bringing us a chance of rain by the late afternoon and early evening hours, and that'll take us overnight before we clear things out on Wednesday. And on Wednesday, we're looking at about a 10-degree temperature difference between Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon. But Thursday looks to warm right back up on the 60s. We have another cold front Thursday night into Friday. We'll likely stay dry through that, but it could take our temperatures back a few degrees for the end of the work week. Now, taking a look at the weekend, we have a system that's now off into the Pacific. As that slowly moves east during the work week, we're going to see some much warmer air and a chance at more moisture and rain chances headed our way into the weekend. They'll start on Saturday morning. They'll last us through the daytime on Saturday and into early Sunday as well. But that's going to bring in a nice surge of warm air. We could see highs close to 70 for the start of our weekend, staying in at least the mid to upper 60s into early next week before another quick system brings us a chance of rain and slightly cooler weather Tuesday into Wednesday.